So in today's video, I'm starting exercise 15.2. In this exercise, you will understand how to locate a point on a graph sheet, and for that, you need to understand what is the meaning of coordinates. So here, suppose on the graph sheet, we have two axes. X-axis is here and y-axis is here, and this one is the horizon. On x-axis, we used to denote all the values of x, that is a horizontal line, and vertical line, all the values of y. Okay, so all the values on x-axis will give us the value of x, this is called x coordinate, and all the values that we are denoting on y-axis, that is the value of y, and we can say that is y coordinate. And why we use these coordinates? To locate a point, to fix a point, to address a point on a plane, we can use coordinates. Now suppose, just I am writing here numbers on x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now here in first question, plot the following points on the graph sheet, verify it if they lie on a line. Okay, so how to plot? Suppose we have here in the first part, I am taking here first part A. Here we have some points A, B, C and D. C and D. And their coordinates are given. First value is 4, 0. In B it is given 4, 2. In C 4, 6. And D 4, 2.5. Okay, so these are the coordinates. And this one, suppose I am taking point A. This one 4, 0. 4 is the value of x coordinate and 0 is the value of y coordinate. Same way here, this is x coordinate values and this one y coordinate. Same way C in C and D. Now how to locate? In A point we are seeing 4 and 0. So 4 we will see on the x axis, it is here, and 0. 0 for y is coming here. So both the points will meet on a point. So 0 is here and 4 is here only. So first point is this one 4, 0. Now B, that is 4, 2. So 4 is here, but on y axis 2 is coming here. So what we will do? Go this way, and meeting point for both the point will give us second coordinate B. This point is B and this point is A. Now C is 4, 6. So 4 is here and 6 is here. So this one third coordinate C. In D it is given 4, 2.5. So 4 is here and 2.5 will be between 2 and 3. That means here. So this point is D 4, 2.5. So look it carefully and denote all the values of coordinates on the graph sheet and then join them. So from point A, B, D and then last point is here, that is C point. So this one is the line according to the given coordinates. Now question was, plot the following points on graph sheet, verify if they lie on a line. So yes, here we are seeing a line, straight line. So right here, yes. And this type of graph is called linear line or linear graph. Now B and C will be same. I am taking now question number 2. And why I told you that this coordinate tells us about the position of any point. Here point B. What is the coordinate here? 4, 2. Right. If someone is telling you B is at the point 4, 2, then with the help of this graph sheet, you can locate this point very easily. Because you know about x coordinate, you know about y coordinate. After joining them, you can locate this point B on the graph paper. Okay. Now question number 2. So here question number 2 is, draw the line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. Okay, to locate them, we have to again consider this coordinates by the axis. This one horizon 1, 2, 3 and so on. y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take till 5. Okay. So here draw the line passing through the point 2, 3. So first point will be 2. 2 is here and 3 is here. So this one is the point and second is 3, 2. This time value of x is 3 and value of y is 2. It's here. So this point was 2, 3 and this one was 3, 2. Always the value of x coordinate will be first. Okay. Now join them. Join them. So you do carefully with the help of ruler. It's here. After that, find the coordinates of the point at which this line meet the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so this line you are seeing here on x-axis, most probably it must be at 5. Here value of x is 5 and value of y on the x-axis will be 0. So on x-axis it meets at 5, 0. On y-axis you are seeing it's here. On y-axis value of x coordinate will be 0 and y we are seeing here 5. So this line graph on x-axis meets at 5, 0. On y-axis 0, 5. So this one was the question number 2. And question number 3 is very easy. We are seeing some points are located on the graph sheet and write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figure. So here we have to write down by observing the figure. Just I am telling you where you also match your answer. Here for A point, coordinates will be 2, 0. For B, 2, 3. First always take value of x and then value of y. Then for C, 0, 3. Because on y-axis value of x will be always 0. Okay, and then check value of y. So for C that is 0, 3. Okay, for P value will be 4, 3. For Q 6, 1. So this way find out all the coordinates and match your answer also. Now question number 4 is for you. Thank you children, and exercise 15.3 you will do by your own because in this exercise you have to draw some graph. Already know how to draw graph. If you are getting a straight line, then meaning of that is linear graph. If the line is not straight or you are observing an exact line, in that case the line will not be linear, that means graph will not be linear. So do and observe your graph and write your answer accordingly. Now thank you children. And now I want to tell you one more information. For chapter 16, in chapter 16 there are 2 exercises and these exercises already I have covered in the work I give you for portfolios in the worksheet. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt in chapter 16 you can ask, otherwise our syllabus is complete. So do practice and keep on practicing. If you have any doubt, please always welcome you. Thank you.